Hello, this is a fantastic Todd. Today I want to introduce the Mapo Tofu. It consists of a tofu in a spicy sauce. Actually, Mapo Doufu is coming from Sichuan province in China. What means the Mapo Doufu name? Briefly speaking, Mao comes from Machi, which means fork mark. Po comes from Popo, which means an old woman or grandma. Therefore, Mapo is a grandma whose face is a pockmark. Sometimes someone translate as a pockmark grandma's bean corn. Next time I will give you detailed information regarding the origination. But what's important is that the Mapo Doufu has become a very diverse food as it spreads. Today I'm going to cook a very simple Korean style of Mapo Doufu. It features less spicy, less salty, and sweeter dishes.